white. We have different choices here. They might need a dust here at the Home Depot. Rust-Oleum has this milk paint in the blue that we were thinking about for our lower cabinets. Ta-da, see this? Okay. Now, on the upper cabinets, when we were talking about going white, what if we go this chiffon cream and we take our walls more white? I'm not even looking at the camera. Sorry, guys. I'm looking at my husband. But I think this chiffon, are you seeing this color at all, darling? Yeah. I think that goes good with this. So, let me give you a little backstory here on what happened. I was going to completely gut the kitchen, but then I decided, let's see if we can paint those cheap cabinets and make something out of nothing, and then that frees up my good wood cabinets for other places in the house. So we're going to see if we can't chalk paint these and make them look pretty good. Who knows? We really don't know what we're doing, but we'll learn. We were thinking blue, white, and maybe primitive green that we have. We call it Waylon Jennings green because his home in Nashville when he was still living was the color of green that I've always used on furniture and in my past stores. So we know the blue and the white, but I'm thinking the chiffon, this little bit of a yellow white, might look pretty ding ding. So I think we're gonna try these, and then let's take a look over here at the waxes because there's different wax. I have used the Deco Art wax. I used the no color one, like just the clear gloss. But I did notice down here, Bear has some waxes. Let's see here. Is this wax? I thought it was. It enhances the color of chalk finishes, adds a rich satin sheen. It adds a rich satin sheen. So we're gonna have to discuss this. I don't know. What's this say? Dark antique. Yeah, this is. I gotta get my whole body up off here. This is gonna act like the wax. Seals, protects, painted surfaces. Dark antique. Now the bad thing about this is I can't see it. So we're gonna have to pop a lid and decide if we're gonna go with a product that I know this and it works great, or pop a lid and check this wax out. I think we're gonna pop a lid. All right. Now I don't know how much it's gonna take to do the lower cabinets, and they have 3 of these, and I don't care what they say. Sometimes it's milk paint. Sometimes the paint doesn't match on a whole new batch, so I kind of like to get my paint when it's already pigmented at the same time in case the next batch is even the slightest off, it won't match. And my other thing is I'm used to chalk paint, not milk paint. But this color's so right, I think I'm willing to roll the dice on milk paint. I'm sure everybody's used it before, but I've only used chalk paint. So we have some decisions to make, and we'll see you over at the house.